How to get Hostinga coupon code. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Launch a preferred browser in your device and search for Hostinga promo codes. You need to select on the first option, that is official Hostinga coupon codes. Hostinga itself provides you with necessary discount coupon codes, vouchers and more. You can check out the discounted price as well. Then you'll get the chance to choose a plan for you. As you can see, you'll be saving quite a good deal. Tap on the Use Coupon option. Wait until the page loads up. Now the first way is to check your order. Check your order, that means select your plan. Once you have selected it successfully, scroll to the bottom to move on to the next step. Then create your account or simply log in into your Hostinga account, followed by the payment. In here, you need to enter your first name, last name, select a payment method, enter your address, and you will also see the plan discount and the coupon that is applied. After you have rest assured of all of this, enter your card number, the card digit, expiration date and the CVV code. Select on Submit Secure Payment. By this way, you'll be able to redeem your Hostinga coupon code. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.